Hi guys, my name is Chloe. I've been with LivBay Lash for about 3 years now. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty. If you guys haven't yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to properly work a booking schedule. The first thing that we will be talking about is how to book new clients. So here at LivBay, we do require a $25 deposit to hold the appointment for them for all of our new clients. It is really helpful just because anytime that they do cancel or reschedule, we do have a policy in place where if they cancel or reschedule within 6 hours to their appointment, it does compensate the lash artist. Whether they book online or they call us over the phone, we would usually take care of the $25 deposit over the phone. The type of system that we usually use is called Square. So after collecting the $25 deposit, we will notate it into our booking system called Booker to secure their appointment. If a client feels uncomfortable paying a new client deposit, you can go ahead and let them know that you do offer a new client discount. Here at LivBay, we do offer $10 off for all of our new clients. This will put them at ease and a little bit more comfortable for the first time. One of the greatest aspects about using our booking system is that you can definitely notate every little thing about your client, which will benefit you in the long run. For example, if they come in with dirty lashes or if they are 5 or 10 minutes late, you can definitely notate that. As a former receptionist here at LivBay, the good thing about using our booking system is that you can see the whole schedule. The great thing about it is that you can consolidate all of your lash artist's appointments, so you can move them up and down to close those big gaps, so that lash artist won't be waiting 2 to 3 hours. So whether you are a new lash artist or you are a salon owner, it's really helpful that you guys do have a booking system in place to help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this content benefits you. A question for you though is, what booking system do you use? Leave your answers down below and we'll see you in the next video.